Officers respond to a disturbance where an intoxicated man is causing problems and refusing to leave a business. When police arrive, they recognize him from a previous encounter. Even after being told to leave and get a ride home, he refuses to cooperate, and officers are forced to take action.
It ain't different. Because now you're trying to go into a bar and drink, and you just got kicked out of a hotel. Get your Uber now. I'm staying right here, and if you don't get the Uber, we're just gonna take you for disorderly intox. Let's go. Get your phone out. Let's get an Uber.
He can buy me a ride right now.
If he wants to buy you a ride, that's on him.
You do.
Is that your bag, brother?
Yes, that's his.
And that's your phone? And that's your hat?
You know you want to buy
Let's
me a
go.
ride. And watch him buy me a ride.
Get an Uber.
I'm not buying you a ride.
Get an Uber.
Threaten me and my friends.
Let's go.
You're out.
Give it a minute. Sir?
Stop. Hey.
Sir. Because you're going to jail. Tell him he's going to jail right now.
You're about to go to jail right now. Because you're pushing my patience.
I know.
Stop worrying about everybody else.
Get up and go, bro.
Let me do my job, bro.
Will you let me just go to bed then?
There's no let you go to bed. You need to get an Uber. Where are you going to go?
It's my hotel.
You don't have a hotel.
Yes, you do. You know I do.
Your hotel, you're not allowed to go back there.
Yes, you know I am. You know that's a fact. I actually am allowed to go back to the hotel. I paid for that hotel room. I'm allowed to go back to the hotel room. You know I'm allowed.
Do you not remember me telling you that you were trespassed from the business? And if you show back up, you will be arrested?
No.
And right now, you're about to be arrested for disorderly intox.
No.
But what I'm trying to do is, no.
You know this.
All right, do me a favor. Put your hands on your back. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, man.
Don't.
We are going to the hotel room.
Yeah, he's getting 10-15.
Grab the phone.
Grab all of that. Just put him in my car, bro. We'll just take him. This way. Oh, go this way.
Gentlemen.
We can go this way.
Gentlemen.
No, there's no gentleman now. You're done. You're done.
No, we're not.
Stand up.
We're not.
Stand up.
Please,
We're gonna squeeze through here.
Please don't do this.
You don't listen.
Please don't.
You don't listen.
Gentlemen.
Go ahead, hop in the car.
Gentlemen.
Sit down.
Gentlemen.
Sit down.
Look.
Sit
Listen
down.
to me.
Turn around.
Listen to me.
There you
Listen
go.
to me.
This is what you wanted.
No, I didn't. Listen to me right
You
now.
did want
no,
this.
please, sir.
Relax.
Please.
Relax.
Listen to me.
I
Listen.
understand. I understand.
We're going one of two battles here right now, and I don't want this. Please don't do this. Please. Hey.
You are extremely intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
Dude,
you are.
I'm actually not. Please.
We gave you an opportunity to
breathalyze me. Breathalyze me right now.
I can smell that.
No, you can't. You can't. You have no breath. Dude, you have nothing on me right now. Hey, please stop. You can't do this. Please.
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, listen to me. Walk outside here with
Look
me.
that way for me.
Please,
Look that way for me.
please, with me. Just, please walk out with me on
So, we'll just write it up the same. I'll write it up just so. Who called?
Eaton.
Alright, so do me a favor, raise your right hand for me. You swear you're going to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you
Swear to
God?
God.
Alright, go ahead, give me a statement.
Just came in intoxicated. Well, he seemed fine. He got a hiccup when he came in, but that was it. And he was quiet. I gave him one Guinness. He didn't even touch it. He just started talking shit to everybody. So I pulled it away from him. He's like, I got this covered. Just please leave. He's like, I'm not fucking leaving. I was like, please leave, because all my friends are here, and it's not going to work out good.
Right.
You want to do it? And I just like, guys, don't touch him. Just call the non-emergency, get him out, and we can continue our night. And that was it.
Alright. Alright, thanks, man.
All right.